Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. New Lancia Ypsilon revealed with electric power. Lancia is back with a new product, the next generation Ypsilon. Here is all you need to know. The Ypsilon is built on a CMP or ECMP platform, the same used by the Oval or Vauxhall Corsa, Peugeot 208 and among others. This is the first electric Lancia using the same 51 kWh battery as the CASSINA, as well as a front-mounted electric motor producing 156 PS and 270 Nm of torque. Lancia claimed a max range of 403 km or 250 miles. Mild hybrid versions are also expected that combine a 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine and a 6 DCT, producing 100 and 136 PS. Full engine specs will be unveiled on February 14 at the Lancia headquarters in Milano. You can see the Ypsilon has a totally different package from its Stellantis cousin. The new Ypsilon gains inspiration from the Pure plus Roy HPE concept up front. It also takes inspiration from the rally focus throttle with circular LED rear lights. There is a Lancia logo on the seat pillar. Inside features Lancia News Infotainment System, a name sound air-like augmentation or SALA, a table below the center display with wireless phone charging pad, and a leader panel finished by Italian furniture brand CASSINA. Hence the Ypsilon CASSINA First Edition, which will be restricted to 1,906 units, the amount of units resembling the year Lancia was founded. The SALA system is a widget-based and uses a high-definition display that controls audio, climate, interior lighting, and more. The Lancia brand will not relaunch to the UK at this time. Lancia exited the UK market and the other right-hand drive markets in 1994, and when the outgoing Ypsilon was sold in the UK and Ireland, it was sold as a Chrysler. The new Ypsilon will be sold in Italy, France, Spain, Portugal, Belgium, the Netherlands, Luxembourg, and Germany.